Alright guys, today I want to show you how to change an air filter and a cabin filter on my wife's 2017 Subaru Forester. It's really easy, it's not that complicated, anybody can do it. It needs a little bit of time. Let's have some fun. To get to the filter, you have to undo these two silver pieces right here and push it out of the way. Alright guys, Subaru air filter, open. Slide the old one out. It's not bad. After 10,000 miles, not bad. One. Slide back in. This specific model, there's grooves on the bottom. You want to make sure that's fully seated in, which makes a proper seal around the box once you clip the clips on. One part's done. Alright guys, it's open. My wife's things here. This one, put this push the pressure right here. Pop out like this. It's full, don't worry. In this specific model, there's this dampener right here. You gotta just pull off. Then what you do is, see these two little clips inside? You just push inwards and that will come out, and then you'll be able to get the glove box all the way down. Once it is down, you can have the two tabs right there. You're gonna press them together with both hands and it will slide out. Alright, so as you saw, there's two clips. I'm gonna grab it, push it, comes right out. Ooh, it's a little dirty. Else out, get a new one. In a few seconds you'll see a carbon filter. There's a regular filter and a carbon filter. Carbon filter is supposed to be a little better to clear out the air. New one that I have. See how it says airflow right there. Top of the filter is not dirty, it's just the carbon filtration. Okay. That's how you want to do it. This is up. The airflow comes this way. Also push. And you just put it right back in here. Clip it in. Make sure it doesn't come out. And now you reattach this. There's the hinges here. This is a little thing here. I just reverse order how you took it down, put the dampener in, and just push it up, and that's it, done. Done. And put all this stuff in them away. Like I was never even here. Alright guys, all done. It took me 5 minutes. Nice and simple maintenance that's required, which I like to do every 10,000 miles. Take care.